before we run out of light. So you have to undo the brake line, which is hidden back here. You couldn't usually I'm used to like unclipping here and there or whatever and having a lot of move around movement, but to get this guy out, there is this guy here, the one on the bottom down there, where I put this through to just make sure it hold in place for now. And then there's the one in the back there that I showed you earlier, that's the bushing that I'm ultimately looking to get out of here. So we're all disconnected now, and just gotta pull her out, I guess. Figure out the parking brake line actually. I think I can undo it here and pop it through the back here, and then once it's out of here, then we're good. Okay, this is just hanging right now, so I just kind of shift it over and set it on the strut bottom here. This is where the bushing that I'm replacing is. Here's my prize. I'll figure out pushing this fucker out tomorrow. Oh, it's gonna be fun figuring that out. And then placing this. Wanted to be able to take it fully out, but I can't figure out getting that cable out of my way yet. So I might do some digging, figure that out. Basically, this is where the cable is. It comes through back here, goes through here. Luckily I got clay that you can take out the coupler there, which is the one right up there. And then, yeah, I gotta see about getting this out. Basically though, this, that, and this. Hold this whole unit in with here. And I pulled off this just to see if I could remove the cable and remove some weight too. But a little bit of brake fluid loss is the only fluid loss for this deal to get to this bushing here. But I figure tomorrow I'm gonna try to pull the other side and well, you know, first probably figure out knocking out this and replacing it, putting it up, and then move on to the other side, do the same thing with this. And then we gotta get the differential down. I was actually thinking about being smart and seeing if I could leave these in. That way there's no fluid loss, and I could figure out, I could drain it too. I could drain the differential. But basically I was just gonna leave the CB drive axles together on it, but I think that makes sense, and why not? And I'm running out of light here, so I'm just gonna call this finale on this one. Yeah. These are all, all the other bushings are all seeming to be pretty good. Pretty happy about that, but this guy was definitely at the end of its lifetime. Alright, so if you look deep in there, there's that little golden guy. He's got these little fins right there preventing me from pulling out the brake cable there from the thing. So apparently this is the solution. It's a little warpy, but it should tighten up enough. But the idea being, you slip it on, you tighten it up, you pull it out. So you get this through there and out there, and then released, and then it's my prize. I'm gonna remove that. See what we can do. Alright, so basically, as soon as you tighten it up a little bit, and it gets like snug, back it off just a hair. And I actually ended up pushing from this side rather than pulling from the back, because it just seemed to work better. And basically, let's see if I can do it. Work.